Hello and welcome back. Previously, we have made some of those layout for sending message that we have on button, and that I will show you. Send hello world, and this was our app. And when I click this, it will prompt me that what I have, but job is hat trick when we send a group message. And let's see what we will get. First of all, we should make a database content, that is, we should make a child messages, and inside that we have to use group id. And because we already have here group id, then we could extract all the message from that group id. Then and what we need is message id. There will be, and here I will say message some value. This is a message and timestamp. Timestamp could be some time here that will run, and this could be like this. Message could be, group id could contain multiple message id, id2, and this could be have same value message. This is message 2, and there will be same time as stamp, and this could be as this. Now this is our message, but how could we have made on layout? I will show that for you. That is, this is groups, but there is chats. And how could you know that you have chats? Means if you have saying recent chat in your application, the recent will be in the upper side and other will be in the lower side. And we should make this by like this. I'll create another child called chats, and inside that I should use unique id of the user, because this will be contained by user. And there will be group id, and here I will use the same thing. Here I will use timestamp, last timestamp of the message, and I will use last message. Could be this is last message. Now this will be our structure. This is a bit hat trick, because we are not sending one-to-one messages, we are sending to a group. So we have to update all the child of that group, and we have to find all the child there. For that, I think if I have groups, a group, I have those members, I should find those values, this value, and I should update here, and all id, and this group id will be this for both of this, and last message what I type, and timestamp will be current timestamp. First of all, before updating chat, I will update this message. First of all, let's do for that. Here is our application. Yeah, one thing I need, what I need is, yeah, inside message id 1 I need another thing, send by, because we need not send to, because we are sending to this group. If we have group, then we should say send by, and there will be user id. Yeah, this will be the structure for group chatting. But when we will integrate that with a single chatting, then it will be a lot difficult, and we will do something for that. Let's see that. First of all, I will use Firebase auth, and this will be mauth. Mauth is equal to Firebase auth.get instance. I would need a string uid, and uid will be mauth.get current user.get uid, and this is for now. And let's send the message. First of all, to send this message, I have to make message, sorry for this, database reference message database is equal to m database. It should be above this value, and yeah, m database dot child. What is, I will make this child as messages dot child. This should be also above this. Yeah, the child, I think this is inside this gid, group id, and dot child. I will create some message id. I will create push, and yes, this is push. Inside this message database dot child, how our structure was, message sent by and timestamp. Message dot set value message. So I need two more thing, send by. Let's make this from and timestamp. This is uid, this is server value dot timestamp. Yeah, dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. Let's see, I should clear or this message input dot set text. I will set to null. Yeah, for this now nothing to do. I will say yes, it will not be anymore, but we need more thing to do for that. Let's see. Yeah, it has been opened. I will say send message. Here I will type, hey, this is try message. Let's send it. Yeah, it has been clear, means I have get message here. Yeah, this is my message, and this says message ID of this, and from this everything has been find. Mm, for that, yeah. Mm, let's create a layout to first of all I will extract this data and show you all this data, and we will update this chat by later. First of all, we need to work on this message. Let's remove this. Yes, then I should create a layout for this, and this is a layout resource file, single message layout. And I have to do something. First of all, let's create this layout as wrap content, and I will use only one text box here. For now, we will use more things here. Yeah, if I got, but I don't know why. Text view, wrap content, and id is equal to message single message, yeah, text will be message. For now, this is for only testing purpose. We will create same thing. Let's go to message activity and let's create all of this. First of all, I need Firebase of recycler option. Before that, I have to create a class called messages message. I will extract this value later, but I need to pass here parameter messages, yeah, options, and I should create a holder also. Before that, I will make this. I have two string called message and from. I have long time stamp. You should write this to same so that it will import. Nice. Let's create constructor of empty constructor so that it will handle our classes. Let create constructor of all these values and create getter and setter. I am moving faster here. I think you have got some basic knowledge of this. You should measure this speed. This I have already told you that this will create our time is values from server. It will take 3 parameter when we call our options. Let's create holder. Like previously we have to create public static class message holder, and I think here you couldn't do different thing. Let's find here. I will create a simple message box here. We will customize it later. I should extend recycler view holder. Yeah, here I will import text view. This will be message. I will search this message view that is equal to item view dot find view id dot id dot single message. Yes, it could be like this, I think. Let's create a Firebase recycler adapter that will contain message and message view holder. This will be adapter. Now I think here is our everything. We need not to write this, or this is our we need to do is this, and linear layout, this we have to make. Yeah, nothing is more than this. Let's type it again. Linear layout manager, linear layout manager is equal to new linear layout manager this, and where our list is. I have not make those. Yeah, message list is equal to find view by id dot id dot message list. Yeah, I have no more this. Then I have to set message list dot set has a fixed size true, and message list dot set layout manager, linear layout manager, and let's create option. And what I need is same thing I need here. Query is equal to m database dot child. Child will be messages that child, it should be, I think, what I have, gid dot order by timestamp. Yeah. And option is equal to new Firebase recycler option dot builder. This will be class name was message dot class. I think where mouse has been gone for my son dot set query to query and query to this and build. I think this should be what what I have done. Let's remove this if it has made me abstract. No. Child dot messages. Yeah, that should be. Let's see here. Yeah. Where that was class name message dot class. I have forgotten that. And let's make adapter is equal to new Firebase recycler adapter, and here I should here pass option and adapter dot start listening message list dot set adapter to adapter. And let's see, here I should have view v is equal to layout inflated dot from parent dot get context dot inflate r dot layout dot a single message layout and that is parent dot false. Yeah, I have to make new message beholder dot v. First of all, I will try to check if it would reflect message or not. Let's wait for it. Now app has been installed. Let's see if we view those messages or not. And what was the group? I don't know. Send message. Hello. It is not showing me anything for now. I don't know why it should show me some messages. Yeah, I will remove this for now. Group ID. Oh no, sorry for this. Control Z. This should not be GID. This should be this GID. Yeah, because there is no element called GID. Now I think here we have messages, as 2 messages has been listed for this. Yeah, I have seen that. What is this? Yeah, let's type and send again. And hello there, and it should pop me a next message, and let's see it if it is showing me the right one or not. Let's see. Yeah, and what was that? What I was going to I was going to set that message. Holder dot message view. I think that was the name of our message. A message view. Dot set text model dot get message. This should give me a message, and let's type and see. Actually, I have tried this before, and it should give me the right one. I have not 2 phones for now. Yeah, I have got this message here. Let's make more message. Hello, let's type anything, and let's see again. It will not send empty message here, and again that was a line break. I have sent line break, also will be sent there. I will send many more messages here. So that it could be filled faster and faster, and I would know. I am searching for something. Yeah, it is not scrolling off. Let's make this message input. Yes, here I should make a message, no, linear layout dot stack from and true, and linear layout dot set reverse layout, and this should be true. It should give me for now, I think. Yeah, I have find this, but this will add at the top, I think. Yeah, it is adding me at the top, but it is not scrolling. But we have extract these messages, and I should remove this. So that I could get right one. Now this is the message what we have sent up to now. If I send this again, it is yeah, it is not scrolling down. We will fix that method for this, but in next video we will try to make some layout for this data, because it is not saying from whom we are getting and by whom it will get. And here when we have get, we will use timestamp also, message, and here name of the person who have sent. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.